Hey guys! So today is going to be a fall haul and I did a lot of damage over the weekend because retail therapy is actually a thing. Sahara's actually right there, so she's listening to every word I'm saying. Hi guys! We're gonna actually start off with e.l.f. I did quite a lot of damage at e.l.f. I've spent lots of money. It was really cheap and they were having like a deal, so I was like, might as well, you know? I got a lot of stuff to meet their requirements for this free gift they were giving out. So if you spend $25 worth of e.l.f. cosmetics, then you get a whole full of goodies, like a packet full of goodies. The bag is really cute, reusable. I can use that for lunch. And when I go to the gym, to start off, I have this e.l.f. brush cleanser wipes. I actually have a pack of these that I bought last year, and these are really good just to clean your brushes. You just want to wipe off like the extra makeup on your brushes. It really cleans your brushes out really well. It does leave the brushes a little bit more oily, so you have to let it air out. It's really good. Everything that they use in here is really gentle for your skin, so I like that a lot. Then I got all this lip stuff. I'm not gonna go into detail to everything because there's so much. I'm obsessed. So I have a lot of lipsticks, but I don't have lip liners to go with it. I bought a lot of lip liners, and there's actually a blending brush at the other end that I've never used. I have the Natural Color lip liner, Wine lip liner. I thought this matte lip color crayons were actually lip liners, but that was just me going a little too crazy. These aren't lip liners, these are actual lipstick. Then I got Praline. Then I got Tea Rose, Cranberry, which I'm really excited for to wear on Christmas and just for the fall and winter. And then I got Velvet Matte Deep Burgundy, which actually looks pretty interesting. Might wear it tomorrow, who knows? Got 4 sets of lashes. I went a little too crazy. These, let's see. I got this set and Luxe Lash Kit multi-dimensional lashes in polished, which is super cute and very winged and polished. And then I got Winged and Bold, which personally I'm very excited about that. It looks like that, and I'm very excited to try this one out. I got another Winged and Bold as well, but I might gift that away, who knows? Who knows? And then I also got this other bag, which is also good for lunch. This is actually really cool. This was the free gift, and you got a lot of things. I believe it's like 5 or 6 items, maybe even 7, like full-size stuff. So I got molten liquid eyeshadow, and I might use that when I'm Hermione for Halloween. So I might do that. And then I got a lip tint in Perfect Berry. I got this NYC baked eyeshadow palette, which I'm going to gift this to someone. Ooh. Don't know who yet. I don't know who it'll be. Maybe it's the person next to me. Who knows? Hi guys. And then I got eyeliner pencil. That's all in this bag, and the couch is already filled, so I'm just going to keep on going. And then next is Forever 21, which I didn't buy a lot. I only got like 2 things. I've actually got these hoop earrings, and they are very cute. It's very thick, so it's not your traditional hoop earrings, so I like that. It kind of reminds me of Cleopatra. Oh. Compliments my ears. I also got your traditional gold hoop earrings, just in a little size, because I have one in silver and I wish I always had one in gold. So I got that, and it was only $2, so it was fine. This was also only $2, but it's not from Forever 21. This is actually from Claire's. I took it out of the box because I wore one toe ring today for class. And I've always been wanting a toe ring. So there's a gold one, and then I believe a silver one and a rose gold one. I'm not quite too sure. I can't really tell on camera. I like to wear a lot of slides in the fall time. Even in Los Angeles, it is so hot. We don't have seasons here. We just have summer all year round. Sahara and I like to wear some slides. We like to wear a lot of flip-flop, and then if we're not, we're barefoot.
Yeah, we are. We're animals.
Talk about foot action. We got shoe palettes. I've actually been wanting these pair of shoes for a few months now. A pair of Pumas. I actually bought a pair of Pumas a year ago from my ATV birthday trip, which was my suede Pumas, if you guys watched that video. If not, it's deleted. They're beautifully wrapped. This is how she looks like. Don't know the exact style. To be honest, when I shoe shop, I don't know the exact name, exact style. I just look at how it looks, and if I like it, then, and I see myself wearing it and I try it on, then I'll buy it. I don't really go further into research about footwear. I just use it literally to walk around from school and back.
2 places we go to.
Yeah, the only 2 places we go to. Oh, and then they're giving out free candy in our building, so we go downstairs a lot too.
And then that's it.
I just got these. It says Puma on the back. It kind of reminds me of that dad shoe trend, which I'm kind of living for. Thought I should buy a pair of shoes, kind of portray that, and I like it platformed a lot. I don't like dad shoes as much because it's kind of not really my style, so I did a little bit more modernized style
yeah,
shoe.
You did.
Yes, I did, hunty. That's my shoe. So from Hollister, it's not even much. It is literally for my Hermione costume, and I only spent $5 on this. I found one for $5. And I'm gonna make it a little bit more college friendly. So we're not gonna have this whole piece of fabric. We're gonna crop this. Tie that up, show some stomach, you know?
No.
Fashion Q. I think this is just an LA store.
I think so.
I never seen this before. I've heard about it from LA YouTubers, but I've never seen it where I'm from, which is San Francisco. I decided to check it out for the first time in Glendale Galleria, and it was pretty successful because I found a pair of pants.
Oh, no, she did.
Yes, I did, girl. This was only $20, and it was actually really cheap for these pants. They're just these camo pants with a thick belt on the top, which is really trendy right now. Camo and leopard print, #1 trends going off the charts right now. I couldn't really find anything leopard print that is like budget friendly. We didn't get any of that. Just got camo for $20. Can't wait to wear that on Thursday. I'm going somewhere Thursday. Can't wait to wear it there. Next up is Charlotte's Russe. And this is pretty much the last one. Oh, I bought Adidas pants, but that was a gift forever because it's our 5 years on October 26th. So I bought him a pair of Adidas sweats, which kind of hurt my bank account a little bit, but it's fine, it's fine.
In the name of love.
First thing I got from Charlotte Russe, these are all sale items. I do not buy full price, I'm just saying.
No.
Yeah, we don't do that here.
We don't know many of them.
These, literally everything I bought here was sale. The only thing was full price was the Pumas. That's the only thing. This olive green top, this was on sale, so it was $10 when I got it. It's just this olive green cropped basic top that I think I can just throw on easily for school, you know what I'm saying? Cut right there. So it makes it easier to style necklaces with, and I think this and this would go pretty cute. Last item I mainly got for my anniversary. It's just this silk top. It's like a satin weave, yeah. It's just pink stripes. Kind of reminded me of Victoria's Secret. Thought I could wear this with a pair of black pants, a nice belt, and some red lipstick. The structure of the top is kind of interesting, so it just ties right here at the bottom. I haven't actually tried it on. That's pretty much it, and that's pretty much my haul. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite stores are, or talk to me in the comments. I read every comment, you know, because there's not many. So share this video with your friends. I hope you have a great rest of your day, great Halloween, great everything. Look forward to more videos with Charlize and Sahar soon.
Yeah.
We are song singers. Oh my god, I can link that down below if you guys want to hear it. Representation of our lives. You guys can go ahead, listen to that. If you relate to it, then go you, man. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.